Well, guys, it's Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. I'm driving, let's see, I'm doing the walk of shame, I guess you could say. Coming back with the new purchase. Well, you can see what kind of car it is, just there off the steering wheel. But looking about the cabin, can you guess which car this is? Oh, I'm just now noticing this does not have the wood grain. It has like this carbon fiber look. I kind of like the wood grain better. I've looked at these once before and passed, but this one was really nice. It has been owned. It's a 3-owner car owned by the same person for the last 10 years. A younger couple. They got married and went on their honeymoon in this car. It was the wife's car. She was a little bit sentimental and pretty attached. Look at that gorgeous 300 turbo diesel sitting there. For sale, too. It says it's a 1-owner. Can you imagine how much they want for that thing? I mean, it doesn't have a price on it. But, yeah, this is a cool car. They have taken excellent care of this thing. It's had new coils, spark plugs, valve covers, brakes, all kinds of recent service. It's got a good set of Nexen tires all the way around. It's got cold AC, power tilt and telescoping wheel. It has lane keep assist. It has adaptive cruise control. Now keep in mind, this is all early generation, so you know how well it works, well, it remains to be seen. Car's got a couple of miles on it. You know me, if I'm going to buy it, it's going to have a few miles. But garage kept beauty. I'll get you a little more video. I'm just now leaving their house. It's about 8 o'clock at night, so I'll probably continue with this tomorrow, or if I still have some sunlight when I get home. I got about a 40-minute drive. I'll just do a quick walk around, but for now we'll just get some video and some driving, and then I've got to figure out the damn features myself. It's got heated and cooled seats. I mean, this thing is loaded. Y'all drop your comments below and tell me what it is. It should be easy to guess because, oh, it does have a cracked windshield. I was able to get I talked them down $1,500 on this car. And for the used car market right now, that's pretty damn good. I think they had a pickup truck, a BMW 3 Series, and they had a fairly new BMW X5 with white interior with contrasting black carpet. I'd never seen a BMW like it, but they had been searching for 2 years for one. And so that was the only reason they were selling this beauty. And they needed to get rid of it. I think he had it for sale for a little while. And I'm out in a real country, little podunk town, and I think interest was a little slow out here. But I'll shut up and we'll just get some good old driving footage. See if I can get us a good old 0 to 60 up here in a minute. Alright, here we are with a little walk around. So, 2007 Infiniti M35. What do you guys think? It is a clean specimen. Look at those headlights. Those not beautiful? This guy was a real car dude, man. They've owned it for the past 10 years, I believe. It was a 3-owner. Some service history on the Carfax, but not a lot. He actually did a lot of the work himself, and he showed me, paperwork where he had bought empty boxes and old stuff. But new brakes all the way around. We got some decent Nexen, I believe, tires. They are. I believe they're Nexens. But we got some pretty good, wheels are handsome, but they've been curbed a good bit. But the paint and everything on this car is just tremendous. Garage kept. I mean, the back seat. I mean, this couple didn't have kids. I mean, back seat looks like brand new. I love the contrast of the black with the taupe colored. I guess taupe is what you would probably call it. We do have a little dent right here I need to take care of. But that's no big deal. Nice, good looking tail lamps. Got the quad pipes. Don't even know how to open the trunk. I guess you can't from out here. Oh well. Yeah, just a jam up car, man. It is so sweet. Driver's seat looks pretty good. Got a few little spots here and there that might need some tending to, but we'll just go easy on her. Who knows? I might just drive the piss out of it. Or I'll sell it here in a month or two. I mean, like, what else do I always do? But I do want a windshield. Everything under here looking good. Got you a good old 350Z motor there. Have no idea what the stats on this thing is. Brake fluid. Battery. Who knows? Have no idea. I really wasn't out to buy this car. I was looking for other things, but it just kind of popped up on my marketplace, and I just jumped on it. I wonder if the fog lights work. Got a good deal on it, but the very first thing I'm getting is a damn windshield. I cannot stand a freaking cracked windshield. Okay, I got buttons. I got switches for lights. There we go. Let's see if these fog lights actually work. One does, one does not. Isn't that your typical? But boy, aren't those headlights beautiful? Man, they are in such great shape. I'm very pleased with that. So, to hell with the fog lights burned out. Got both keys. Typical corporate Nissan key. Let's turn it off. Ooh. Yeah. Let me do that again. You guys may not have caught that, but it does a little sweep when it starts. Yep. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Never been smoked in. Pretty smooth old V6. But look at these touch points. I mean, there's just not a lot of wear and tear. The car just has really, there's a little bit here. but it's not that bad. I bet I could buy that rubber replacement and replace that. I'll have to check on that. I just noticed it. Didn't notice it at first. That looks like where someone would hold a wheel. Hey, 250,000 miles. I got a good deal on it too. Clean headliner, man. What a, I mean, it's just a freaking clean car. I guess that's the DV drive for the navigation. Huh. No funny smells. Everything how I think it should be. So, let's try an Infiniti out for a little while, shall we? Y'all like, subscribe, comment. I must probably said that earlier. But anyway, you know the deal. I will be getting some good freeway footage when I head back towards Atlanta, either tomorrow or Monday. So look for that. Anyway, y'all have a good one. We'll see ya. Peace.